No matter how much care you take, leftover paint always seems to collect some dust and dirt. So here's a quick tip on how to get your paint ready for use. Just take a scrap piece of aluminum window screen and put it over the top of a clean bucket. Make a slight depression in the middle so that your screen forms a dip for your paint. Now pour your paint over the screen into the clean bucket. If you only fill your bucket about halfway full, you'll find that it's easier to work with. Now when you're finished, just take a rag and blot the excess paint off the top of the screen after it's all filtered through. Then to clean your screen, you can use mineral spirits if you're using oil-based paint, or just water if you're using latex-based paint. Now you can also use a fiberglass screen, but it is a little bit more flimsy than aluminum screen, so you'll want to tape it around the outside of your bucket so that the middle doesn't sag down and fall into your paint. Either screen works great, and your paint will be clean and ready for your project.